guys, this is Red Boy Gaming, and we're going to do another Pokemon cards. So we're going to do a breakthrough, 3 packs of breakthrough, and a Mega Latios. So let's open this first.
It's a Mega Mewtwo 5 pin.
Come on. Falling apart! Dang it. No. Get the garbage out of the way. So we have 3 booster packs. 3 booster packs. And we have the Mega Mewtwo Y. Is it? Oh yeah. Mega Mewtwo Y. You focus. Okay, there we go. And we have the Mega Latios. So let's open this. Sorry. Sorry about that. That's my Auntie Kim Banana. And my mom and dad. So we have this. What was that? What? Out of here? This is weird. Did this just really came from it? Oh. This is so weird. I never had this kind of form. You can see right here. Dude. I'm so lucky. So, that is weird. That's an error. But okay, that's just weird. So, sorry, I'm just getting the packs out. So, Blue Skies, and Phantom Forces. Okay, this is online code. You can see here, barcode. For the Pokemon TC Mega Latios collection. Okay. We have 7 packs. This is a lot. Let's go in order with my favorites. Let's go there. Okay, let's start with Primal Clash. Code. So here. We have Surskit. Sorry. We have Zizzagoon. Rico. Shroomish. Tangela. Ah! Come on!
And my favorite.
Kakuna, Mooney, Vibra, Versatile Tentacle, and a Starry non-hollow. Last one. No carnivore, come on. But we can always get it. Got like card. I'm stop doing the cards right now. Only in the boogie boxes. So we have Bonjour, Patty. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, there you go. We have Gooey, Chansey, Sweato, Gengar's Feeling, Serenity, Bureau. Oh my god, this is so weird. Reverse Pharaoh again, and a PGN, non-hollow. That's about to start. And we have right here. Not right one. Okay. Hold. You pull something? Good. Panther, get out there! Panther, Vanilla. Come on, please don't be the whole set. Okay. Sand Flash. Parampula. Curla. We got Noivern Break, guys! Noivern Break! 3 points right there. We got 3 points, guys. And what was the last one? A Mega Houndoom EX for art. Look at that. That's a 4 EX. So that's 2 points right there. Another breakthrough. If we get a Houndoom EX or 4, that would be awesome. Code card. That's a bit wrong way. Blood Baby. Sandshrew. Cubone. Noibat. Oh, it's Noivern with Noibat. Pikachu. Starmie. Skyla. Rebel. Versatile Pikachu. And yes, I need the Florges. Yes. Needed the Florges, guys. Thanks. Thanks for tuning on. If you are, you're awesome. So we have again. We have 3 more packs. Yeah, 2 more packs left. Cocarn. Meow, that's right. Panther, get out of there. Right. Run. No, that where is she? Nice. Never have her. Seeking. Oh my, what? Another Noivern? That's weird. And a Abomination now. We have another Noivern. Great. Hold on. Sorry, I was just pausing to show my dad. We have 2 Noivern breaks. Okay, if you subscribe and like, and leave a comment and shadow, I'm going to give this away. And now we have 2 rolling skies. Let's go for the Latios first and then Quaker. Wait, is it all on my code? Because I see them all line codes. That's weird. Meow. Big guy. Bionicle. Bagon. Rumple. Executor. Latios Spiraling. Legendary. Reverse Hollow Rare. Accident. Look at this! Oh my god, this is another one. Last pack. Hope we have good luck on this. We do. That'll be awesome. If we don't, that'll be wrong. Code card again. We're gonna get something good. Or get something good. Shop it. Not to. Okay. Girl. Yep, that's right. The leg guy. Pharaoh. Mega Turbo. Shogun. Virtual Rare Beefly. Well, I used to have this as a promo form as a Hollow too. So we have a good Pokemon here. Get. So we. Hold on, let me say this in order. So we have a Beautifly Reverse Hollow Rare. Ox2, sorry. We have Dragonite Hollow. 2 Noivern breaks. And a Mega Houndoom EX. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And leave a comment down below if you want a shadow. And I'm going to do more videos after if you do this. Like, Subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below for a shout out. This is Red Boy Gaming. See you next time. Bye.